Did you know why your cat makes that weird chattering sound when it sees a bird? Like, what is that? Teeth clicking, tiny chirps. Bro, sounds like a broken toy. So what does this mean? Your fluffy roommate just switched to hunter mode. Even if they eat gourmet kibble and sleep 18 hours a day, deep down they're still a mini predator. But peep this. That chatter? It might be frustration. They see the bird. They want the bird. The window said, "Not today." Some experts say that jaw movement is practice for the perfect neck bite. Yeah, your cute baby is rehearsing takedowns. Wild. Others think cats try to mimic bird sounds to trick prey. So basically, your cat might be running a tiny scam. So next time your cat goes full chitter-chatter at the window, just know, you're living with a tiny lion in pajamas.